Hello everyone, myself Shivani Bhatt from TYBCA. Today's my topic is network topology. Network topology. What is the meaning of network topology? Network topology is the arrangement of the element of communication network. Network topology can be used to define or describe the arrangement of various types of telecommunication networks, including command and control radio networks, industrial field buses, and computer networks. Network topology is equal to the layout of all of the nodes. Network topology has two types. First is physical topology, second is logical topology. What is the meaning of physical topology? The placement of various nodes, three fundamental shapes, bus, ring, star. It may create hybrid topology also. First is bus topology. Single cables connects all network nodes without intervening connectivity devices. Devices share responsibility for getting data from one point to another. Terminator stops signals after reaching end of wire. Prevents signal bounce. Inexpensive. It is not very scalable. It is difficult to troubleshoot and not fault tolerant. We have some nodes and we haven't arranged this node so that we can establish communication among all of the nodes. In bus topology, there is a common transmitter medium. All nodes are connected to this transmitter medium. Second is ring topology. Ring topology is each node is connected to the two nearest nodes, so the entire network forms a circle. One method for passing data on ring network is token passing. Active topology is each workstation transmit data. In ring topology, every nodes have peer-to-peer connection, means every nodes have two connection. Third one is star topology. Every node on the network is connected through a central devices. Any single cable connects only two devices. Cabling problems affect two nodes at most. Requires more cabling than ring. For bus networks, more fault tolerant, easily moved, isolated or interconnected with other networks. Scalable, supports maximum 1024 addressable nodes on logical network. Star topology, in the every nodes connected to each other but not directly. They are connected to each other with the help of a central node. This central node can be a hub or a switch. Hybrid physical topology. A combination of two or more topology is known as a hybrid topology. For example of a combination of star and mesh topology is known as a hybrid topology. The choice and usage of hybrid topology depends on its requirements and deployment, such as the number of servers, location of and the performance of the desired network. Here is the image of all of the nodes which is connected with the central hub. It is a mixture of bus, ring, star, mesh. Basically, it is a combination of a two or more topology. It is also known as star wire topology. Logical topology. Logical topology, how data is transmitted between nodes or deal with the data flow in the network. May not match physical topology. Bus topology, signals travel from one network devices to all the other devices on network. Required by bus, star wired physical topology. Ring topology, signals follow circular path between sender and receiver. Required by ring, star wired ring topology. Thank you.